So I was messing around with my computer today, just doing overclocks and kind of overclocking the CPU, overclocking the graphics cards on the phone with EVGA, and having them tweak it with me, and just going through everything and having really good luck with high scores on 3D Mark Firestrike. And I realized something. Most of you viewers and most of my subscribers, if you're viewing this video and you're not a subscriber, make sure you are. Click that subscribe button, by the way. Most of you guys have not seen the inside of my $4,000 gaming PC, my build. And a lot of you have seen the front of it, obviously, the case right here and whatnot. But most of you haven't seen inside of it, so let's go over and take a look at it. I promise it won't hurt. Right over here, this way. So this is Patricia. If you guys haven't seen, I'm just kidding, the name is not Patricia. It's actually, we named this Project Frost a few months ago when I first built it. The total cost of everything, if you guys don't know already, is just shy. I think it's like $3,900 something. That's including the graphics cards, the solid states, the fans, the radiators, all that stuff. So if you guys don't know already, this is Project Frost. And it's been the life of the channel for about 2 months now. I think we've had her built for about 2 months. We've got Asus Z170 platform motherboard. We have the i7 6700K overclocked to 4.8 gigahertz. I bumped it down from 5.0 because it was starting to get some instability issues and whatnot, so we bumped it down a little bit. And we've got the H60 cooler on top of that, always running at 100%. We also have the two 980 Ti's. We've got an M.2 in here, solid state, and we have, from Samsung obviously, we have two EVGA GeForce GTX 980 Ti for the Win editions running inside of here. I don't know why the light isn't on. That's kind of weird. Usually this light right here, I custom painted most of this. And the plates back here, but most of it is custom painted. The power supply is custom painted as well. And for some guys, I'm gonna have to figure it out later, but I think after all that overclocking, maybe the second card just wants to take a break. Who knows? Anyways, these are two 980 Ti for the Win editions. The For the Win label is right behind the cable management here. And we've got our Dominator Corsair Dominator Platinum DDR4 RAM, 3000 megahertz. We've got 16 gigabytes of that, and the 1600 watt power supply. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 fans in here. 10 or 11. We have 11 fans in here. There's another one up there. There's 11 fans in the case right now, and then we've got the two solid states behind the motherboard tray, and we've got our boot drive solid state in here, and then the 2 terabyte hard drive Black Series from Western Digital right here. So all in all, it's cost about $3,900, something like that, and some change. It's crazy to think, and when I was doing overclocking today, I'm like, Jesus Christ, man. A lot of my viewers haven't even seen inside this thing, and it's just awesome. I look at it every time. Right behind us here is my door, and I come in here, and this is the first thing I see every single day, and it's awesome. So if you guys want to see a little bit more on this, and I can go in a little bit more into depth if you want. If you want to know a product list, everything is in the link in the descriptions down below. If you want to purchase any of the items or whatnot, use those links, shop around a little bit, do what you do. And like I said, guys, if you want to see a little bit more, by the way, the case is an NZXT H630W. It's very hard to find, because here's the door for it. It's actually the windowed version. This is a silent case. So I just had it open today, and I thought I'd show you guys. If you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like and a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed to the video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to do that. Make sure to do so. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Stay frosty.